In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide app on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you've accidentally hidden an app or can't find it, don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's get started. Now, first things first, let's check the app library. Sometimes app can be hidden from the home screen but still be available in the app library. Swipe all the way to the right on your home screen until you reach the app library. Here you can scroll through the all the way to right on your home screen until you reach the app library like this. Now if you can't still find your app, it might be hidden. Scroll down, you can find hidden option, tap on it. It might take face recognition, and here on hidden apps you will find all the apps that you have hidden. So to simply unhide it, click on add to home screen and it will be added. Likewise other app, and that's all there is to it on how to unhide the app. And you've successfully unhid apps on your iPhone.